Well, welcome back to 605 Dabbler. As you, if you go back to one of the videos, you'll see that I changed the channel to 605 Dabbler from Jack of all trades, master of none, because if you put Jack of all trades and master of none in there, there's a lot of different hits and it doesn't go to my channel. So I changed it. 605 is South Dakota area code all the way across the state, and that's where I live. And of course, I dabble in a little of everything. Today I want to get back and let you know that the work is going to start beginning on the 65 Fastback that I got back. I didn't know I was going to get it back, but I got it back, and of course it was out at Jim's. If you look at the previous videos, one of them will show the start. It might be a short, but it will be the first start of the 65, it cranking up and running for a while. But what happened is Jim, we called him James Bondo, got cancer and he ended up dying. And so the project stopped. And as you can see on the 65, it's really dusty and dirty, and it does have stuff to be fixed. The front end, it's got all this to be put on. We do have most of the parts. The engine was redone. It is now a 347 stroker, and from a 302 I believe it was, and now it's the 347 stroker. It's all finished. We got the brakes, as you can tell back here. If you'll come back around here, you can tell here we put this on jacks because James Bondo was having troubles getting the brakes to work. But now that I got it back, I checked the brakes. The brakes are all complete. As you can see in there, the steering wheel is missing. The driver's side window is missing. Some of the interior needs to be redone. The seats are redone. The carpet is in. The paint is really in nice condition. It does have some touch-ups that we're going to have to do, but the trunk is all done. The rear end's all done. So what we're going to do, if we'll go back up here, we are going to concentrate on getting the windows in. As you can tell, I got the front windshield in the rubber, but I still need to put the glue in and then seal it around the window. And of course, I learned from one of the Mustang channels how to put the window back in here. As you can tell, it's not in completely, but we will get a rope. We have a rope that we bought that we're going to put around and try to get that back in, get this all sealed up, get the two windows in. And once we get the two windows in, the driver's door and the passenger door and the windshield, we are going to take it out and get the muffler put on it. I'm not the greatest welder, and I don't have the equipment and stuff, and as you can tell, I don't even have the space really for a Mustang at my own garage. So I am dealing with a 69 Mach 1 that's over at the other pole barn, and it's really not set up for working on a Mustang, but we are going to do our best to get it back together, get the muffler back on it. My question is to you is, what do I need to do to get the passenger and driver windows back in? The windshield, I understand the process and how to get that. I can pretty much get that all placed in. The clips are all in already, and it's ready to be put in. What I need help on, and I'm asking you, please help, please share, please get people involved in this. I want to get this completed for my father and mother-in-law, and I need to get the windows in. And the windows, we have all the parts, but when it comes to putting them in, I don't have any idea how to do it. Is it easier just buy the whole kit as a whole, or to save money, put the windows back in that I have? Let me know in the comments below. and we will see you in the next one. Thank you.